How to get a girlfriend if you're an introvert and a shy guy. Are you ready to learn how to get a girlfriend if you're an introverted and shy guy? Introverted guys deal with special difficulties and unique opportunities when approaching women. Let's talk about how to get a girlfriend if you're an introvert and a shy guy. In a planet of extroverted, gregarious guys across Hollywood and your neighborhood bar, precisely what are you supposed to do? How are you supposed to feel secure approaching a lady around guys like that? Let's check out the unique hurdle and opportunity you face as an introverted man. As an introverted guy, it may sometimes feel like every other guy got the handbook to captivating, approaching, and dating ladies other than you. I entirely get that. Also, it's just not the case. Approaching ladies in such a way that feels really good for both of you is a talent. Dating for introverted guys. The great thing about skills is they're buildable. No person is born with a skill set. Talents are, by definition, one particular thing you can build. You've most likely come across all kinds of suggestions telling you to go out there and approach a woman, who you may not even fancy, as a loud, brash, unsavory person. They'll advise you the following. What's the worst that can happen? Stop overthinking it. Just go all out, man. Approach solely to get practice. Never mind if you like her or not. How to get a girlfriend if you're an introvert. Oh my gosh, this is strenuous even to type. I just imagine it's exhausting for you to be barraged with all day. Therefore, expert tip: unsubscribe from all the jokers giving you that style of advice. Because you're about to get actually helpful guidance on approaching ladies as your own naturally authentic, attractive introverted self. Approaching genuinely is so much more ideal than the alternative, and as an introverted man, you truly have a natural advantage built into the way you've built. Being an introverted person means you've got numerous very attractive traits at present. Easy to be around, fresh perspective, mysterious, intellectually energizing, and many more. What to say when approaching a girl? All these attributes make you feel refreshingly real to women who are also authentic and sincere themselves. These are attributes you just can't fabricate. You can only bring them out in a natural way by being and feeling secure in your own skin. When you can visualize what it might look and feel like to appropriately approach a lady as an introvert, this builds up your self-confidence and sense of self, both in general and around women you feel attracted to. Dating tips for introverted guys. For you to approach a woman with ease and sureness, you must feel genuine. You must be true to yourself. At Evolution of Dating, we assist guys to attract women naturally without needing to be somebody they're not. The reason is, the self-actualization required to do that is as enjoyable or more enjoyable than the actual approaching and attracting women part. Our clients tell us they feel more like themselves than they have in years or ever, by focusing on bonding with women in a way that suits them, that is all their own. Instead, you can concentrate on developing warm connections that feel great for everyone. This involves feeling drawn to who she is, not simply the shape of her body. Because despite the number of guys who told you that you must think about women in terms of physical 1 to 10, that never sat right with you. Dating advice for introverts. It means discovering a bond together, not pushing your plan onto her and onto you at the same time. Bear in mind, pickup artist style method isn't only disrespectful to her, it is to you too. It means connecting over shared beliefs like genuineness, connection, ease, fun, and meaning. The best way to approach women is in an all-natural, unrushed way. There's an expression we express often around here that our readers and customers really resonate with. The greatest cause of lack of connection is the presumption of disconnection. Quote, I go over this more in depth in my conversation guide for introverted men. For now, I really want to zero in on how this relates to physical touch when you're first meeting a woman. There are 3 phases of touch that we teach at Evolution of Dating. Flirtatious touch, friendly touch, making the very first kiss inevitable, how to best approach a woman as an introverted man. When you're just meeting and starting off a conversation with a beautiful lady, you need to work on that first stage. Warm and friendly touch. Main reason is, it shows her 2 things. You're secure around attractive women. You're relaxed in your own skin. When she observes these traits in you, she will feel a lot more attracted to you. You are a powerful, confident guy, and she likes it. Approaching women as an introvert does not have to be sticky, especially not once you understand these skills. One way to show her this type of connection more viscerally is through touch. Essential dating tips for introverted men. Right after you approach a woman and you're initiating a chat with her, observe the times when you feel closer mentally or emotionally. When bonding over something one or the other of you has said, here's the best way to touch her. If standing up, lean into her lightly with your shoulder or arm for a second or 2. If sitting, you can lean in and touch her on the hand, arm, or knee. This is a casual and welcoming way to bring in touch, and it feels natural when you're sharing a laugh or making a point. The more you weave in this particular type of friendly, easeful no-pressure touch, the more it will begin to seem like you, and how you are. How does an introvert approach or talk to girls? The main reason is, it's normal for us to bond with one another. So challenge any belief about yourself that, that's just not how you are. Quote, maybe you've not been a person to touch up to this point, but who says you never will be or can't be? You may end up delighted that the very touch you deep down yearned for the whole time begins to feel as common as breathing. Don't forget how you've learned other skill sets before. Touch is merely a skill, and be open to that level of ease happening for you. Approaching a lady as an introverted man may be a lot more effective when you take these principles and simple practices into account. This is a great deal more authentic and rejuvenating than the traditional pickup artist approach.